In professional site design, a 3D model is only as valuable as your ability to present it clearly. If you're still manually rotating your camera and hiding layers during a meeting, you're losing production time. I'm Raysa Molina, and today at Land Design Academy, we're mastering scenes in SketchUp. I'll show you how to use scenes to build an automated walkthrough that proves your design intent and keeps your workflow seamless. We've all been there. You're trying to show a specific drainage conflict or utility clearance, but you're fumbling with the Orbit tool and accidentally unhiding the wrong tags. It looks unprofessional and slows down decisions. Scenes aren't just for pretty pictures. They are your safe bookmarks for camera angles, tag visibility, and style settings that ensure you never lose a perfect view again. Here is the professional workflow for setting up your scenes. Establish your working style. Before adding scenes, set a working style with profiles off to keep the model fast. The Scenes panel. Open your Scenes tray under Window Default Tray. This is your control center. Capture the view. Once you have the perfect angle, click the plus icon. This saves your camera location and tag states. 2-point perspective. For professional architectural views, go to Camera and select 2-point perspective to keep your vertical lines straight. Updating scenes. If you change a material or move the camera, right-click the Scene tab and select Update to lock in the changes. By the time you're finished, you'll have a series of tabs that create smooth transitions, effectively building a fly-through of your site without extra software. Organization is the key to speed. When your scenes are set, your model becomes a presentation. If this helps you, add this video to your library and check out my SketchUp and 3D modeling playlist. Leave a comment with your biggest 3D presentation headache. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next brief.